Alright, welcome back to the vlog. We're back to talk on the line. We're talking with you guys and we are always sliding. Today, Eboo is taking over the vlog. We are going to go watch my uncle to play some football. This is my second time really watching him play. Last time he didn't really touch the ball. He just run back and forth. We didn't see much. Today maybe he score a goal. If he score a goal, I'll give him $20 no matter my pocket. But anyway, remember these three things, guys. Keep watching the video, subscribe and keep liking. Alright, I'll see you soon. Okay, we are finally here. To be honest, if I was riding my zebra, I'd been here much quicker than this. This is my very first time taking over the vlog, so I forgot the microphone. But you guys can understand what I say. Hey, Etigun, top baller, you are here.
Wow, you so like African, brother. Come here, bro. I see my mother coming today. Can't let it see it.
He is here with his father.
Yeah. This is the boy, man. Look at him. General, yeah. Respect, man. Yeah.
So, do you think you can maybe score a goal for us today, or
I'm looking forward.
You think you can score a goal today? Okay.
Yeah, a goal today, bro.
All right. What are you there doing? Are you taking a sunbath or something?
Yeah, man. I'm chilling.
I feel it. You try.
My closet.
So can you believe my subscribers? I asked this girl to give me some of her chips. She asked me if I couldn't follow her to the store. Look at that. The chips look so good. I am hungry. I've never eaten Doritos thing. How did it taste? Does it taste very good? Or does it taste like spiders? I think Spider-Man only.
I don't have no type of
Don't worry, I kind of know. I met with the last game. Her name is Chloe. She about to drink that water like a gazelle. Big baller! Eddie Goon! That is how you know you are a star. Don't look to the crowd really. You act like you don't hear nothing. Oh, he acknowledged us. Ah! Yes. I tell you, he's either going to score today or give us an assist.
I think it's.
Oh, look at that take. Oh, not so good at all. You know, the ball going all the way around. I think it's going to be an assist. He's getting fitter.
Because I also think because he's too humble.
He's a very humble player. He's playing with number 4. It's a good number. This is for all the girls who kept on asking me, what about my uncle in New York? See, now you see my uncle. Now you see him again. Go and drink. The water is there for the thirst. I'm sorry this lens cannot zoom in too tight for you. But look at him. Oh my God, very virile. Do you know the word? Google it. Alright, the game has started. My uncle to the ball. Good pass, uncle. Give it to the star, huh? Just grab a cup with my uncle and I am so upset. But we're still fighting because my uncle's on the field, so with him I know anything is possible. Like they're playing as if like they're the ones that are leading 1-0. But hey, I believe in my uncle. I know he can do it. So my uncle lost. It was 4.
It wasn't him that lost, it was the team. He didn't lose.
He was a part of the team, so he lost too.
Everyone else.
They all lost.
Everyone else lost
They
by
lost
him.
as a collective.
How does that even?
As a team and as one unit, they
lost.
My uncle didn't lose.
Your uncle lost. Sorry,
My
bro.
uncle was the best player in the field. What are you talking about?
Sorry, your uncle lost. I'm sorry.
Good job. Good win, Uncle Khan. You did a great job.
That's crazy. I never heard this before. Never heard that. Never.
That's how winners talk.
Oh, really?
We don't lose, baby. Anyway, we're gonna see these guys. Love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.
Whatever you want to call it, like.